fund has been roughly flat on an absolute basis through the first quarter, up 80 basis points, which has outperformed the MSCI ACWI Infrastructure by about 240 basis points to the end of March. That was largely driven by stock selection in the telecom and utility space. The biggest changes that we've made to the fund over the last 3 months have been in the UK. As recently as 9 months ago, we owned nothing in the UK. Today we have about 15% of the fund allocated there across 4 names. Probably the most exciting opportunities that we are seeing in that region is UK water. This is a great industry, really the textbook example of how a privatization should work. 17 natural monopolies, delivering the most precious resource in the world, really great industry. And until very recently, they were priced that way, and we had never invested in the space. That has all changed over the last few months, and we've become a lot more constructive on some opportunities that we found in the sector. I spent some time over in London in February, met with the management teams of both water companies that we own, but also had the chance to sit down with the UK water regulator. The market is right now concerned about a couple things in the space, and some of that concern centers around a new regulatory construct and whether these companies are going to be able to earn the type of returns that they had previously enjoyed. I came away from these meetings very confident that the regulator was working to incentivize the right types of behavior in the sector, and the companies that we own are going to be able to earn their historical returns. Interest rate volatility has ticked up tremendously over the last 6 months, and from the start of September, we've seen a mini taper tantrum across the globe. We continue to maintain a good deal of balance in the fund relative to interest rates, and we believe this balance has led to some very strong peer relative performance in a rising interest rate environment, which is very similar to what we saw in the taper tantrum in 2013. Thank you for taking the time to hear our thoughts on the fund and the space, and I hope you have a great day.